how to enable AirDrop on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to share your file from any of your Apple devices to your Mac or send it to your Apple devices using AirDrop? Then you're in the right place. To toggle on AirDrop on your Mac, you need to head over to Settings and then click on General. There, you'll need to go to AirDrop and Continuity. Click on it, and then you can see AirDrop. You can see No One. Tap on the drop down and set it to Contacts Only or Everyone to start the AirDrop process. Now, the Apple devices will show that the AirDrop on your Mac is on and can easily share the files. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.